Hello and welcome to our how-to series for Webex and Webex devices. Today we are demonstrating how to schedule a Webex meeting. My name is Marty Jefferson and I am the Senior Technology Advisor for Collaboration here at Internetwork Engineering. There are two ways to schedule a Webex meeting. The first method is via the Webex Web Portal. The second method is via an email client if you're using Outlook or Gmail. First, we will demonstrate how to schedule a meeting from the Webex Web Portal. To access the web portal, open your browser and enter the URL for your Webex site. You can get the URL from your administrator. The Webex Web Portal has several features for customizing your Webex experience, and we will demonstrate them in other videos. Today, we are only demonstrating the scheduling aspect of the web portal. To access the web portal, click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the page. In the email address box, enter your email address used for your Webex site and click Next. A password dialog box will appear for you to enter your password. If your site is set up with single sign-on, you will be redirected to a company site to enter your company system credentials. Here, we enter our password and click Sign In. To schedule a meeting, start by clicking the Schedule button. This will open the scheduling page. If you have created a scheduling template, you can select it from the Meeting Template box. You can choose the type of meeting you are scheduling from the Meeting Type box. You must enter a meeting topic in the Meeting Topic dialog box. Webex requires all meetings have a password for security reasons, so you cannot remove the generated password, but you can change the password if you desire. In the Date and Time section, you can set the date and time for the meeting along with the duration. You can also set the time zone the meeting will be held in. You can set your default time zone in the Preferences section. If you want to make the meeting reoccurring, you can click the Reoccurrence box and choose the frequency of your meeting. Enter the email addresses of the meeting attendees in the Attendees dialog box. You can separate multiple addresses with a comma or semicolon. In the Show Advanced Options section, you have options for audio connection, entering a meeting agenda, and setting up other scheduling options. If you want to save the options you have chosen for other meetings, you can save the meeting as a template by clicking on the Save as Template link. You will notice the blue button at the bottom of the page says Start instead of Schedule. This is because the time I have chosen for the meeting is less than 15 minutes from the current time. If I edit the meeting time to be more than 15 minutes from the current time, you will see the button changes from Start to Schedule. When I click the Schedule button, Webex will generate email invites to all the attendees and schedule the meeting. Next, we will demonstrate scheduling Webex meetings from an Outlook client. To schedule meetings from your Outlook client, you will need to install the Webex productivity tools for Outlook from your Webex site. Contact your administrator if you need assistance with installing the plugin. Schedule your meeting as you normally would in Outlook. When you have the meeting set up the way you want it, click on the Add Webex icon in the ribbon bar and choose Add Webex. Outlook will communicate with Webex to set up the meeting in Webex. The meeting details will not be populated in the Outlook invite until you click Send on the meeting request. If you reopen the meeting, you will see the Webex meeting details in the meeting. Thank you for watching our video. If you would like to speak to us about helping with your Webex environment, please email us at sales@ineteng.com or call us at 704-540-5800.